Hello, hi everyone. My name is Deepak Bansal, and today we are going to discuss Cisco 9364E-SP2R-O switch. This is part of Cisco Nexus 9000 family, but this one is clearly aimed at very different scale compared to the normal campus or a data center access kind of a switches. Um, this is a OSFP version of this platform, meaning it provides 64 port 800 gig OSFP ports. So if you click on this vendor product page, it will take you to here, and it will tell you that the it supports high densities 800 gig spine to data center fabric, also support 400 gig, 200 gig and 100 gig port speeds, right? So right away the role is clear. This is not a branch switch or not a campus access or not a leaf. It is mainly used in the data center with a high traffic flow. The switch is built for very kind of AI fabrics or 800 gig spine or super spine type design. So the as I already discussed in the first part of this video is the port capacity 800 gig, which gives us 102.4 terabytes of bandwidth, right? And if you see here 19.2 billion packet per second, which is so huge. The important part is not just the number, okay? So just it has 144 MB of one die packet buffer and 60 GB high bandwidth memory. It's just not the number. At this speed, the switch is carrying traffic between high performance leaf layer GPU clusters. I have talked about this so much time. In the GPU cluster, you need switches which are not just in high port capacity. They should handle the burst of the traffic or sudden surge in the traffic, because traffic is not always smooth. You can see those micro bursts or some elephant flows. Suddenly the traffic increase, and some congestion points. So are also very sensitive east and west traffic patterns, right? That is where the buffering becomes important, right? So Cisco list 104 MB of fully shared one die buffer. Now for large AI data center workflow, this burst and congestion handling can directly affect packet loss and latency and job completion time for the GPUs. Now the second feature and the architecture which I want to explain is the switch runs the Nexus 1000 ecosystem. Um, Now what does mean is you can run a ACI design models or NXOS design model, and it comes with the so it comes with the Cisco brand trust value and support. And believe me, I've worked on many vendors, and Cisco support is still far better than any other vendor. um, Now for automation and operation, Cisco says it supports all the POP, REST API, Yang, Open Config, Net Config, REST Config, GNMI, model driven telemetry. Now this is just not only for box by box CLI. It meant to fit in the automated data center operation. Right, for AI and high performance Ethernet fabric, the important features are again, if you go back to features, the important features are PFC, priority flow control, explicit congestion notification, RoCE supports, right, and WRED and intelligent buffer management, um, uh, right. So yes, so this helps the fabric to react to the congestion before it becomes a bigger performance issue. Now, in the third part of this video, I'm going to explain you where this switch fits perfectly. Now, this switch, uh, as you know, if you go with the rich set of features, um, it fits on the very large AI data center or a data center. Um, so in a nutshell, the unique value of this switch is that it combines 64 ports of 800 gig Silicon 1 P200, that's the Silicon 1 from Cisco, deep buffer architecture, the Nexus operation model ecosystem, and platform design for large AI system. Now, if you are building very high performance Nexus based data center backbone, this switch is worth um, noticing, and I will highly recommend to go. This is, if you see June 26th, 2026 is the updated. This is a new switch in the Nexus portfolio, and yeah, I will highly recommend you guys. Thank you so much for watching again.